Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Michael Steele, the American conservative political commentator, lawyer, and former chair of the Republican National Committee, RNC. Many remember him for being the first African American to hold that position, but where is Michael Steele now? Michael Steele rose to national prominence in 2003 when he became the Lieutenant Governor of Maryland, serving until 2007. Later, in 2009, he made history by becoming the first black chairman of the RNC. His leadership focused on modernizing the party and expanding its appeal to minority voters, though his term also faced internal controversies and criticism from within the GOP. After leaving the RNC in 2011, Steele transitioned into media and public commentary. He became a political analyst and commentator, known for his candid and often critical views of modern Republican politics. Over the years, he has appeared on major networks such as MSNBC, NBC News, and CNN, offering insight on U.S. elections, government, and party strategy. Where is Michael Steele now? As of now, Michael Steele continues to serve as a political analyst for MSNBC and as the host of the Michael Steele podcast, where he discusses national issues, democracy, and public policy. He's also a senior fellow at Brown University's Institute for International and Public Affairs, focusing on leadership and public service. Michael Steele remains a powerful voice in American politics, respected for his experience, independence, and willingness to challenge his own party. He continues to shape political discourse, not as a candidate, but as a thoughtful commentator and educator. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now? Stories about influential political figures.